Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel guys. Welcome back to Mkhosi Nophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you so much. Ngakhohlwa ke ukuthi subscribe mangabe umusha uyafika and subscribe, like a video, share a video as well. And yeah, fake your notification bell on, and also you guys please do allow my ads to play. Please consider not skipping my ads. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys. So yeah man, kule video guys ngisanda sikhulumeni ngodaba ka Portia Modise. We all know Portia Modise from Ibanyana Banyana, right? Kunedaba engilubonile when it comes to some publications ukukhulunywa ukuthi Portia Modise ukhala ngokuthi uye wathathela imoto yakhe lapha no guys angazi ukuthi ngathi bephuma ngakubo into kanjalo guys kwaba nabo bhuti nyana mayesho nje izodlala ivideo yakhe la ukuze umameli ukuthi uthini ngathi ukuthi abafana nyana abancane nyana bade bekhuluma isiZulu into kanjalo guys bamkhomba ngezibhamu bamthathela ke imoto yakhe lapha kodwa ke yena akalimalanga alright kodwa ukhala ngemoto yakhe uzakala ecela usizo lapha ecela nemsizeni athole imoto yakhe you guys. Asimamele kancane iclip ka Portia Modise elandisa ngokuthi kwenzekeni sizobuya futhi just after the short clip.
Sanibonani, hope ukuthi wonke umuntu sharp. Mina ngikho sharp bafethu. So when I get home la ngihlala khona there was few guys, Zulu guys, you know, smulanyana boys nje. I was pointed with firearms. I was hijacked. Bamthathela imoto eGate lakithi. So I'm doing this video ukuthi anyone who can see this car, it's a blue Polo Golf 5. It's KX15 GP. KX15 GP. So if uyayibona ngicela ukuthi try ukusifonela try ukusithola. I'm really not okay, but ngibonga impilo yabo ukuthi after all ngikhonjwe ngebhamu ngithathelwe imoto ngiyajeko but angenzwanga nix yabo. So I'm just saying ukuthi wherever la ukhona if ubona iPolo blue eGolf 5 iKX15 GP eyami jo ngicela uncedo nje from kini. I'm so much confused. I couldn't sleep thinking about these guys, you know. So yeah, I'm just looking for help from you guys. Yeah, sharp.
Yeah man, it's not a nice thing, you know. It's not a nice thing angazi ukuthi abantu bayenzelani leyo nto you guys. So udaba lapha lutho waduma kuyibanyana banyana ukuthi udunwe imoto ke uPortia Modise wayengumdlali webanyana banyana uthi udunwe imoto yakhe iVW Golf bathi yini VW Golf 5 into kanjalo isithombe kushuthi ngizosilahlela on my screen nisizeni uPortia Modise bafethu ukhala ngemoto yakhe kuthiwa kwaye isilomo somdlalo webanyana banyana uPortia Modise ukhonjwe ngezibhamu lapha waphuca imoto iVW Golf 5 ngaphandle kwalapha ahlala khona ebusuku ngomgqibelo. uPortia ufake ivideo ekhasini lakhe la Twitter ngesonto elandisa ngokwenzekile njengoba usuyibukile uthi angiphathekile kahle bafethu izolo ngesikhathi ngibuye ekhaya la ngihlala khona kunabantu besilisa abangamaZulu abambalwa nje ungabafana abancane nje mayesho lapha na ku video ukuthi ngikhonjwe ngezibhamu ngaphuca imoto esangweni lasekhaya ukuthi uPortia akasacacisanga lapha ukuthi uhlala kuphi. And I understand you guys that is for safety reasons. Do not go around telling people ukuthi uhlala laphi so bengekazi asho uthe wenza ivideo ukuze noma ubani ke ongabona imoto yakhe iGolf 5 eluhlaza iKX16 GP okwesibhakabhaka elihlaza okwesibhakabhaka ukuthi amsize amthinte into ekanjalo. Udade ukhala ngemoto yakhe lapha uthi ngiphathekile kahle neze kodwa ngibonga impilo ukuthi emva kokukhonjwa ngezibhamu ngithathela imoto kodwa akukho kwenzeke kimi. Muva nje kusanda kuduna imoto wayengumdlali weKaizer Chiefs uLuke Fleurs esigamekweni ebulawa kuso. uLuke wayeduna imoto yakhe iVW VW Polo kwelinye lamagaraji eGoli wagcina ngokudutshula. Yasicabanga istory saka Luke Flares you guys into kanjalo nakhona kwakuyi golf I think mabesholana bathi kwakuyi VW Polo eyaka Luke Flares kodwa ngebhadi wadutshula you guys. uPortia Modise uthi akwenza kangalutho angazi mhlambe guys basemva kwalama polo yini Nkosi yami ngoba ilesithombe semoto ekaPortia Modise bafethu uthi ucela usizo kunabafana bamkhombe ngesibhamu lapha bamthathela imoto yakhe udozwakala ethi bebekhuluma isiZulu thizeni and abamenza ngalutho kushuthi befuna yona nje imoto into ekanjalo kodwa kubuhlungu ngoba ke udade na ufuna imoto yakhe you guys uthi msizeni nemthinte abangabe benolwazi you guys ukhalela imoto yakhe into ekanjalo kodwa ubonga yena impilo sibonga umphefumulo mangabe akwenze kangalutho kuye kodwa kubi bafethu lokho kwenzekayo hayi cha lezi nkinga lezi ezoku abantu bethatha imoto zabo abanye bayabulawa into ekanjalo asibonge nje umphefumulo Nkosi yami kodwa ukuthi ngoba uthi uphephile bamkhombe ngezibhamu bamthathela nje kuphela yona imoto uthi ucela usizo lapha ubonakala nje kuleya video guys edabukile nje ngempela hayi angazi ushuthi basemva kwalama polo angazi bafethu nami sengiyasho ngoba yikaFlares nakwakuyiPolo ngikona umuntu ekamzwe ethi yazini ukuthenga imoto uma ungathenga imoto lohlobo yePolo I was just having a discussion nobunye umuntu ngelila ngathi ungayithengi umoto lohlobo yePolo ngoba hayi leyo moto leyo ngathi is like it's a target like honestly so kumele manje singasathenga ama favorites wethu imoto esiyithandayo guys ngoba usaba ukuthi mawungathenga iPolo yazi ukuthi usenkingeni bakulandelile abafana kwazi kwabuhlungu guys lokho kuvelela uPortia Modise sengathi imoto yakhe ingatholakala bafethu sengathi angalithola usizo lona ke nguPortia Modise bafethu siyamazi wayedlalela ibanyana abo but didn't say bafana ibanyana you guys so yeah man asethembe ke uyolithola usizo udade imoto yakhe itholakala into kanjalo nje asibonge kakhulu for watching this video if you can help please do help uPortia udinga imoto yakhe thank you so much for watching le video ngikhohle kulike nokusubscribe kanti ke sobe sibonane futhi ku video elandelayo bye